Esperanzao ay empezaya investiga el City Legal Office uno de este magadia con el 5 empleyado del gobierno local que sale positivo ambos na mandatory random drug test que conduci el Oficina de Salud y na confirmatory drug test que conduci na DOH Manila. Este el cosa y hable el City Legal Officer Attorney Jesus Carbon durante el press conference na City Hall ayer aga. Asagun kun Carbon, ta-preparaya sila con el mga dokumento que necesita para na investigasyon.
Upon instruction of the mayor, and this will be investigated by a team headed by Attorney Elias, our city administrator, and Dr. Jane Bascar. They were properly charged, and we will be furnishing them with the charges so that they can file their answer and the investigation can be conducted.
Asagun kun Carbon, hindi quiere decir yan positibo estos mga empleyado na droga prohibido enseguida podya kanila kita na di ila trabaho. Necesita pa segun po na kanila baho na investigasyon aber para saber si cosa el razón porque esto siya kada envuelto na uso del droga prohibido y si cosa castigo propio impone kontra kanila.
There is always a human side to everything. There might be some reasons why they took this drug. For example, the one we charged said that he has some problem, and then to cope, he thought the drug might help him, but it did not.
Aumento pa del City Health Officer Dr. Rodel Agbulos, hindi basta lang pwede kita na trabaho con este mga empleyado por causa kay protehido sila na Civil Service Commission.
It doesn't necessarily say that when they are confirmed positive, they will automatically be terminated because even in the civil service law, there's a due process. That's why the legal office is investigating further and deeper what could be the reasons. Because if the reason for their involvement in the drug thing is something that could be considered, then most probably they could be given a chance.
Si Agbulos, el encabeza con el conducta del mandatory random drug test del mga empleyado del gobierno lokal. Asagun kun Agbulos, mucho ya el kanya sale positibo na mandatory random drug test, pero 5 pa lang di ila, el kanya queda positibo na confirmatory drug test. Marifita Mayo, Dateline Zamboanga.